Sticking with transportation, we're talking about Volkswagen here, signing a deal here with the city of Austin to actually start testing out autonomous driving there. They're going to have a couple of these ID Buzz vans there at the end of the month, and they have 10 of these by the end of the year, geofenced in Austin. It's kind of interesting because they're in Tesla's backyard, because Tesla has their Gigafactory there in Austin. And also, this is VW moving on from their winding down of the Argo AI business that they had with Ford. They didn't see it as being financially viable, but then here they are testing out autonomous right now. So it's a bit of a mix-up here.
Yeah, Praz, what do you make of this? I'm curious for your perspective, given the fact that, right, they did wind down their investment in Argo. I think I also read that they're employing some of the former Argo engineers as part of this initiative, as they're looking to expand at least this side, and as they tried to test these vehicles. But the end game here, because it's not just about robo-taxis, right? They're looking to sell these in terms of for delivery services, but also some other providers as well, which could potentially expand that sort of business pool.
Yeah, like a total commercial offering as opposed to a consumer offering. You know, Ford is actually experimenting more with their Blue Cruise, which is like an assisted driving, not fully autonomous. So maybe, VW sees some benefit to going a bit further than that. But I just find it strange that they spent billions of dollars on Argo AI, wound that down, and I guess they hired some of those people, brought some of that tech on board, maybe doing it on a smaller scale. Maybe that's the play here.
Yeah, what also continues to worry about me about this concept of the autopilot is just the amount of crashes that we're seeing. I mean, last year in 2022, we saw 400 crashes of these vehicles. I think majority, if not most of them, were Tesla.
Yeah.
And so that really worries me. I mean, Austin is an up-and-coming city, and I just continue to think, I just cannot picture seeing that so many cars in New York City. I mean, between traffic and foot traffic alone, dangerous.
But there are people driving these cars, right? There's inhumans.
Someone
in all
is
these
behind
cars during the test drive.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this particular trial, but so there's Cruise, Chevy's Cruise, GM's Cruise, and also there's Waymo, Google Waymo, and they in certain cities don't have drivers there. Yeah, they're fully autonomous, geofenced in a certain area. So there is a control factor there. New York City is a whole other ballgame, right? That's just way too much going on. But in certain parts like South Congress and 6th Street and Austin, maybe it works. Maybe it works.
Maybe it works. We'll see what exactly Volkswagen has in store for this. But certainly an interesting story there, expanding their self-driving initiative in Austin, Texas. All right, guys, thanks so much for that. We got to leave it there.